Ever felt like you're standing outside a digital vault, watching everyone else effortlessly manage their crypto, and you're just stuck? Like you've got this burning desire to dive into the world of digital assets, but you're tripping over the first hurdle. Where do you even start? Specifically, you've heard murmurs, maybe even enthusiastic shouts, about the Newton wallet, and you're thinking, okay, sounds cool, but how do I actually get it? You're not alone. In the whirlwind of blockchain jargon, decentralized finance, DeFi, and endless wallet options, finding the right tool can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. You're trying to figure out if this Newton wallet is the key to unlocking the crypto experience you're after, but you're met with, well, maybe a few scattered forum posts, some outdated tutorials, and a general sense of where do I click? Let's cut through the noise, shall we? Let's break down exactly how you can get your hands on the Newton wallet, step by step, and demystify the process. Because honestly, it shouldn't be this complicated. We're here to make it simple, accessible, and, dare I say, even a little bit fun. First things first, what exactly is the Newton wallet? Before we jump into the how, let's understand the why. You see, in the crypto universe, wallets aren't just places to store your digital coins. They're your gateway to interacting with the blockchain, managing your assets, and participating in the wider ecosystem. Think of it as your digital bank account, security vault, and passport all rolled into one. The Newton wallet, specifically, is designed to be a user-friendly, secure, and versatile tool for managing your cryptocurrencies. It's built with the idea of simplifying the complexities of blockchain technology, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. It might offer features like multi-currency support, seamless token swaps, staking options, or integration with decentralized applications, dApps. The exact features will depend on the specific version and updates of the wallet, but the core idea remains the same: a smooth, secure, and efficient way to manage your digital assets. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. How do you get it? Step 1. Verify the official source. This is absolutely crucial. In the world of crypto, where scams and phishing attempts are unfortunately common, you need to ensure you're downloading the wallet from the official source. Do not, I repeat, do not download the Newton wallet from any unofficial website, third-party app store, or random link you find on social media. The official source is typically the project's website. You'll need to do a little research to find it. Search for Newton Wallet official website on a reputable search engine. Look for the website that matches the project's brand and has a secure HTTPS connection. Double-check the URL to make sure it's correct. If the Newton wallet is associated with a larger platform or exchange, you might also find the download link there. Again, verify the source carefully. Step 2. Check for supported platforms. Once you're on the official website, you'll need to determine which platforms the Newton wallet supports. Is it available for desktop, mobile, iOS, and Android, or as a browser extension? Most wallets support multiple platforms, but it's important to confirm compatibility with your devices. Look for download links or buttons clearly labeled with the supported operating systems. For example, you might see download for iOS, download for Android, or download for Windows. Step 3. Download and install the wallet. Click the appropriate download link for your platform. If you're downloading on a mobile device, you'll likely be redirected to the App Store or Google Play Store. If you're downloading on a desktop, you'll download an installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the wallet. This process is usually straightforward, similar to installing any other app or software. Step 4. Create a new wallet or import an existing one. After installation, you'll typically be presented with two options: create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you're new to the Newton wallet, you'll want to create a new one. Click the Create New Wallet option. You'll then be prompted to set a strong password. This password is your first line of defense, so make it unique and complex. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 5. Backup your seed phrase, recovery phrase. This is the most critical step in the entire process. Your seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase or mnemonic phrase, is a series of 12 or 24 words that serves as the master key to your wallet. If you lose your password or your device is lost or damaged, the seed phrase is the only way to recover your funds. The Newton wallet will generate a seed phrase for you. Write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a safe and secure location. Do not take a screenshot or store it digitally. Do not share it with anyone. Treat your seed phrase like the nuclear launch codes for your crypto. If anyone gains access to it, they can access your entire wallet. Step 6. Verify your seed phrase. After writing down your seed phrase, the wallet will typically ask you to verify it. This involves entering the words in the correct order to ensure you've recorded them accurately. Step 7. Explore the wallet and its features. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and set up your Newton wallet. Now, take some time to explore its features. Familiarize yourself with the interface, learn how to send and receive cryptocurrencies, and discover any other features it offers. Additional tips and considerations. Stay updated. Keep your Newton wallet updated to the latest version. Updates often include security patches and new features. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA if available. Enable 2FA for an extra layer of security. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Be wary of emails, messages, or websites that ask for your password or seed phrase. Research supported cryptocurrencies. Before depositing any funds, make sure the Newton wallet supports the cryptocurrencies you want to store. Understand transaction fees. Be aware of the transaction fees associated with sending and receiving cryptocurrencies. Start small. If you're new to crypto, start with a small amount of funds to get comfortable with the wallet and the process. Join the community. Look for official community forums or social media groups to stay informed and get support. Security first. Always prioritize security when managing your cryptocurrencies. Getting the Newton wallet, or any crypto wallet, is about taking control of your digital assets. It's about empowering yourself to participate in the growing world of blockchain technology. But it's also about being responsible and vigilant. By following these steps and keeping security top of mind, you can confidently navigate the process and unlock the potential of your digital assets. Remember, the world of crypto is constantly evolving. New wallets, features, and security measures are being developed all the time. Stay informed, stay curious, and most importantly, stay safe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.